What's up, GBB fans? It's Nelson from Archwick. Today we're going to introduce our Type A AWS GBBR magazine, which is a fully MWS compatible magazine. This magazine is built on three things: light, strong, efficient. Let's get into it. So over here we have three GBBRs. We have the original Murray M4, our very own AWS L119A2, and another TM MWS clone. So let's start with the original. As you'll see, the magazine seats and free drops cleanly. Next, let's talk about structural integrity. So we designed this mag to have a different way of assembly. It uses an M5 x 135mm screw, which prevents pinhole deformation over time. Next, we're going to talk about materials and weight. This magazine uses a custom alloy. It weighs in at 419 grams, making it the lightest metal body MWS compatible magazine available on the market. On top of that, this material has very good thermodynamics, making it work very well in colder temperatures. So during our internal torture tests, we did 2,500 rounds back continuously, and this thing still cycles very smoothly, ensuring that you have consistent performance over time. Capacity, it's about the same as all the other metal body mags out there. It holds 36 rounds. One thing we improved upon is the gas capacity. This thing holds 14 grams of gas, giving you more shots per fill. Crisp full auto cycling, ending with a solid bolt lock. Velocity stays stable through the first 15 rounds. From 5 degrees to 38 degrees Celsius, the mag maintains full semi and auto functionality. We've added a retention wall to the gas route bucking. This ensures a proper air seal and consistent cycling. We believe this is the best all-around all-weather MWS mag available today. This magazine will become the standard in our upcoming AWS AR rifle series. Check it out.